So once you got really comfortable with the first video where you're just doing a few switches from G to E minor, and the second video where you got a pulse going and you're doing a short, short, long 4 times on one chord, keeping the pulse going and switching to the second chord, E minor, and switching back. And then we can take away the long strum, so we got our progression now. Alright, always good to be progressing with whatever learning you're doing. So again, we're going to get our pulse going. This time we're going to strum 1, 2, 3, 4 in each bar. Don't forget we've got 4 bars on each chord in this song. So going 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's switch. 2, 3, 4. Switch. Keep strumming as you switch. Switch back. Remember to keep that right arm or your strumming arm as you're left-handed going. 1, 2, 3. Don't stop, just change.